Hello guys, today is Monday and let's start our week by thanking God that we are so healthy, and let's put that big smile in our face. I have this chocolate dove saying here that a smile is the quickest way to brighten a day, which is true. So this is from Jessica D from South Carolina, so let's thank her with the words. Today is DIY Monday, everyone. DIY day is always a happy day for me because this is a day of my sanity. To my subscribers, thank you so much for watching again and again my videos. And if you are new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking this video and give me that support by hitting that subscribe button and bell notification to get notified for new videos. And if you end up liking this video, please hit that like button below. Last Monday I showed you how to make simple but fashionable earrings. If you haven't seen that video, please go to my playlist and check the DIY videos. You know guys, I am really trying my best to be consistent in posting videos 3 times a week. It is pretty hard, but it is manageable. The hardest part of this is the editing, especially if you have SLR that doesn't really want to focus. So bear with me with the video quality. Sometimes I need to use my phone to shoot the video. So let's start with a DIY project today, which is DIY necklace. So we are going to make 2 designs of this, and let's go ahead and do the first one. hope you did enjoy that first designs, and let's do the next one. That's pretty easy, right? Thank you guys for spending your time with me today, and I hope you did enjoy this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.